What's up, guys? Sometimes when you want to make something better, it takes more time. Let me show you what we're talking about. We've loved our table. It's been awesome. Honestly, ever since we kind of redesigned a table specifically around the Ultra Swing, it's been a great experience. But you know what? You can always make that experience better. So moving forward, the base plate as well as the side links of the UltraTable are now coming in stainless. So you might be wondering why we changed this UltraTable to stainless. Well, there's a few reasons. For one, what's better than one food grade work surface is two food grade work surfaces. Another big reason is corrosion. Now that we have a stainless steel base and links along with this aluminum backplate, there is zero chance of corrosion. So no matter how hard you're rambling, how many times your kid covers this in sand at the beach, it's not gonna rust for the long haul. Production is already wrapped on these new stainless UltraTables. If you have an open order, this is what you're gonna get. We really appreciate the patience and support as we've been a little slow to get this batch out. And just like everything we make, made right here in the USA.